I shared a chart. I'm going to keep this one pretty simple and easy because I want to make sure we get to synopsis, which was just chock full of good stuff. But Micron crushed it. They absolutely crushed it. And nobody saw this coming, but maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple of analysts that said, hey, at some point with all this AI silicon, you're going to need some high bandwidth memory in order to do this stuff. You're hearing rumors about high bandwidth memory advancements coming from SK, from Samsung. Well, Micron's had a whole bunch of innovation with its 232-layer NAND, HBM upgrades, and they're starting to see the momentum. They went from $1 billion+ loss last quarter to nearly $1 billion profit in one quarter. The stock jumped to its highest price since I think it was like 2000, Pat. It literally saw a jump. It looked a little bit like Dell after the earnings when everyone's like, holy crap, this company has a play. Yes, people, if you are seeing growth in XPUs and GPUs and CPUs doing advanced AI stuff, we're going to need a whole bunch of high bandwidth memory to get that done. Micron's got a play. It's got a big play. It saw its margin grow. It saw its revenue grow. It's seen cash flow being generated, Pat. And in a single candle, and I showed that in my tweet, you saw the difference of people finally understanding that Micron is part of the AI story. So I'm going to keep it fast. We can get to synopsis, but I'll pass this one over to you.
January 2nd, 2024, from Colorado, USA. Patrick Moorhead tweets, the memory boom is back. I put up P&Ls from Micron, SK Hynix, and threw at least the semiconductor P&L in there from Samsung. Yeah, called it. This one's easy, dude. I mean, I spent 10 years in infrastructure, 11 years at AMD, and it's like, it's boom and bust. There is no in between. And we are now going into a boom. Everybody's going to be complaining about lack of availability. And all three of these companies are going to be printing
margin expansion, pricing power. Whoo!
No, totally. And then you're going to hear, what's going to be really interesting is with the new storage and memory requirements from AI smartphones and PCs, how's that going to work out, right? But in the end, this insatiable need, I like to call it the quadrangle between, the processing, storage, memory, networking, right? And here we are. This one is going to have some interesting impacts on pricing. But listen, these companies put billions of investment, and they should be rewarded.